Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Today is a Wednesday. It's free shipping day. It's a good day to try something new from our products, basic skincare products, basic personal care, anti-aging supplements, water dispenser, and more. So right now, you can see the products that I have been using so far. So from out of my profit, I buy some products to try. So this is the brightening deodorant, and this is the whitening toothpaste. This is the hand lotion. It's very fast absorbent, and this is the liquid body loofah with almonds for exfoliation, and this is the polishing bar for face and body. So this one just arrived is my feminine wash. It's a replacement or a refill. I already consumed 2, and here I have consumed 2 whitening toothpaste, 2 deodorant, and 1 hand lotion. And this is a multi-purpose cleaner. So you can see there is still a package plastic there. I haven't used it. I am excited to use it and see if it works as expected. So yan po ang ating mga products. You can have try 1 or 2. Today is the best day to purchase because it's free shipping day. So you don't have to pay for shipping fee. Just send me DM if you want to try our products. Very, very good products. So, ito is one of my new favorites. This is the polishing bar. Yes, it has glacial marine mud. And it really works at polishing, deep cleansing, and deep conditioning the skin. You can feel it after one wash. So, yan po ang ating mga products, mga friends. I have 1 viewer. Can you help me comment so I can see who you are? So we're going live this afternoon to show the products that I have been using so far. I wanted to buy the devices. So I'm saving up. Eh, wala naman tayong extra funds for that as of this moment because I'm doing caregiving. So, not much funds. So I'm living from my retail profits. So come on guys, it's a free business opportunity. I have been sharing posts about it. So it's free to join, nothing to lose. You only need your mobile phone and your internet connection, which I know everyone has internet connection, or most of us. And tiyaga. Yeah, consistency is key to success. But you have to start. Otherwise, wala namang aanihin kung walang sinimulan. So, hello, Imelinda Vergara. Shout out. Welcome to my product information blog. So earlier I was talking about the products that I have been using so far. So I'd like to use more and more products, and I will continue sharing about it. So yan po ang ating mga personal care products. Yes. I hope you will try. Today is free shipping day. So it's opportune time to try or do your refill. Yung aking mga patronizers dyan, reminder, today is free shipping day. Place your order now. And I have a small fan given by my friend from high school. It's so good. I place it very near my bed at night, especially that it's so hot. right now. So I'll stop here and have a great Wednesday, everyone. Later is because today is Wednesday, is a day dedicated to our Mother of Perpetual Help. I usually go to attend Holy Mass and Novena. So yan po ang aking mga activities. Hello, Miss Fe. Miss Fe, bili na kayo. Ito po yung aking mga produkto na ginagamit personally from the business. So you can also join the business again for free. Just let me know so I can help you register and assist you in the startup. Yan yun aking mga personal care products. I wanted to use more, but of course, we have limited funds at the moment, at the season in my life. Well, I'm doing caregiving to my mother, so I'm stay at home. So this business is very good for all those stay-at-home mothers and fathers and guardians. You can earn something and learn. So there is a lot of personal development in our business. Our leaders are so generous of their time and expertise in sharing how to be successful in this business. And there's an announcement that will be opening a new market which has 1.44 billion people and about 200 plus million people middle class, and the retail industry is already established, so it's very good opportunity to hop on in and join our Zoom meetings. Let me know if you're interested to join our Zoom meetings. We have Zoom meetings on Mondays and Tuesdays, and tomorrow on Thursday morning at 8 a.m. Philippine time. We will have a discussion or a demo about the WellSpa, a new biome. So the WellSpa is a beauty and wellness device. It's newly launched. It's proprietary to the company. There's no other company who is selling this WellSpa device. It's called Renew Spa in the USA. It's medical grade and it goes with some serum and activating gels, forming cream. It helps in the lymphatic drainage and pain management and more benefits. So if you're interested to join tomorrow's info and demo session about the WellSpa and new biome, just let me know for the link. So these are all my basic care personal products. Today is free shipping day. Ulit-ulit na po ako. So you can try our products, and for those who have used our products, I enjoy it. Today is a good day to do some refill. So this is the multi-cleanser, which I haven't used. This is new. And this is my new feminine wash. I have used 2 bottles already. And some of the things there is the toothpaste, the deodorant, the liquid body loofah, the hand lotion. Kasi during COVID, we need to wash our hands. So this one is very good, especially for those in the office. Kasi it's very absorbent. Ang bilis niya ma-absorb, as if wala ka nag-lotion kasi wala na siyang grease ba. But it's very effective. And we have the polishing bar. Ito yung aking pinaka-favorite and looking forward to do my shower. I use it for my face and body. So yan po. If you have any questions, just drop a comment or send me a direct message. So this is all for now. Signing off and see you later. Good afternoon.